कमाल का आपने खेला और आपकी टीम में जीती, कैसे फील कर रहे हैं और गोवा कैसा लगा आपको?
गोवा तो बहुत अच्छा है और मैं हमेशा यहाँ पे इंजॉय करता हूँ। आज बल्कि दिन में मैं डॉल्फिन साइट सीइंग पे गया था, तो मैं बीच पे ही था, तो पता लगा कि भाई 50 मिनट में या 20-25 मिनट में डॉल्फिन दिख जाती है, तो डॉल्फिन देखने गया था। एंड बड़ा मज़ा आया ये लीग खेल के। बहुत अच्छी लीग ऑर्गेनाइज करी ऑर्गेनाइजर्स ने, और लव द इंटेंसिटी, क्वालिटी ऑफ प्लेयर्स, जो पिचेस हैं यहाँ पे वो बहुत अच्छे हैं। उससे जो लीग का एक स्टैंडर्ड सेट हुआ है वो बहुत अच्छा है, तो क्रिएटर के लिए बहुत शाबाशी दूँगा एंड वेरी वेरी गुड।
So brilliant performance throughout the tournament. So what was your temperament? What was your brilliant performance
What was the?
throughout the tournament? So I want to know what went.
That is my class.
Absolutely.
One question for Wasim sir. He said yesterday I had taken your interview and I asked what is the strategy for today's game. So
The strategy was to win, which luckily we did. I think it was an important toss to win, and I think Shikhar's batting made the difference. You know, there were multiple players who performed at the right time, but I thought the quarterfinal, the last league game was like a quarterfinal for us, and his knock of 99. I think we needed somebody at the top to get runs, and from there on, I think he was switched on for that game, and then it continued, and here we are with the trophy.
Shikhar, this tournament had a lot of stars, and from the day one there was a lot of expectation. But many of the stars, they took their time to get into their, hit their stride. So, what sort of commitment and what sort of hard work is required to up their game, and when it matters? It seemed like cruise for your team. It was very comfortable, this victory.
Yes, absolutely. At the start, especially our team, if we talk about our team, we didn't do that well, and we all were very, very rusty. But when you play this sort of league, it gives a great opportunity for players to go back and practice more, because the commercials in it, the value that league provides, it's very, very beneficial for the players. So players should keep themselves fit, and yeah, we earn good money out of it. So that is very important. At the same time, playing league over here in Goa was very special. I feel even for Goan people as well, that on such a big level this league has come over here. So it's a great entertainment for Goan people, or the people those who are traveling. And today I really enjoyed the laser show. That was brought X Factor in the city. People really enjoyed it. So I'm sure that it will become more huge in coming years as well.
Hope so.
Shikhar, what's the challenge of playing continuous days? Like sometimes you'll have played 3 days on a trot. So as a retired player coming into this league and trying to perform on continuous days, what's the challenge?
Challenge is my knees pain, my glute pain. So those are the challenges. But yeah, see, I'm a very fit person. I play a lot of paddle back home, play golf. So I keep myself very, very active. I do gym. So with me, of course I felt the load, but it wasn't like that. Didn't stop me, and even other players as well. Of course, we are humans, so with age we're going to get slower and rusty as well. But now we are like diesel engine, 1-2 matches, and then we get into that momentum and rhythm. And yeah, you all should take care of our health.
So could you say that was the reason you took time to get into your